Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, this is going to be an ongoing video series on this guy because he's one of my best friends. And I've known him since '01. And I've been talking to him, talking about hair transplants since '02. And we did him on December 19th of 2020. And he's a 70-year-old fellow who had radiation therapy to
Oh,
his
that's right.
throat,
Yeah.
which scattered into his donor area, and he's got finer hair to begin with. And so I'm nervous on three accounts. One is he's my friend. Number two is that donor area has been radiated and is it going to heal correctly? And number three is that are those hairs now weakened and are they going to grow? So we did him and he looked like this. He got 2,700 grafts. He showed up late on the day of surgery on a
Oh.
Saturday, and his wife says he was still reading the paper, and that drives me crazy. But we did him, and then here he is at a week, and then yeah, and then here he is at 1 month, and he thinks it's already growing, but all nine hairs that he had before were just growing back. And here he is at 3 months, and I think maybe he's grown a little bit. And then he sent this selfie from his car. Don't drive and text. And this is at 4 months exactly, and he's definitely growing.
Yeah, he is going. Yeah.
And I think part of it is he's got a good outlook on life, and that's half the battle in these characters. If you're optimistic and you're upbeat, I do think that makes things heal quicker. I can't prove that, but I'm pretty sure of that. Yeah,
So you're still healer.
that's why I'm still healing.
Yeah.
And we'll get updates on him. But here's a 70-year-old fellow that had radiation to uh, that got part of the donor area, and who is growing at 4 months.
Oh yeah, yeah. 1 month, he said, "Look, it's growing."
Yeah.
Yeah. Doctor's like, "No."
Yeah.
I was like, "It is."
So we'll keep updating him. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.